to make sanitizer: measurement cap, hydrogen peroxide, rose water, and aloe vera gel. Let's go to the lab. Ta-da! Now let's start making our hand sanitizer. Mix 450 ml isopropyl alcohol to fight viruses. Any alcohol is very flammable, so keep all leakages away. 9 ml of glycerin to make your skin soft. And 25 ml hydrogen peroxide to destroy bacterial pores. And 16 ml drinking water or rose water to give fragrance to the sanitizer. Add a small quantity of aloe vera gel for skin moisturizing. Now shake it well. And keep it still for 72 hours. I think our hand sanitizer is ready. Let's test it. You can also clean your mobile screen with it.